Good morning all, it's 9:30 a.m. in Manila, and just in a quick follow-on video, in the previous video we bought a fridge, inverter, and in the new condo we only plugged it in a couple of days ago, so we haven't actually moved in yet, but unfortunately it's not very cold and the freezer section isn't enough to freeze. So we've come back today to tell them it's not working and to see if we can do an exchange for something maybe a little bit bigger than the one we bought anyway. I think probably need an upgrade on it, and yeah, they're cool. Obviously Filipinos trying to get a deal, so they're trying to give us less than what we paid for it, even though it's faulty. I sort of expected that, and yeah, it is what it is. So we found another fridge, and they said they'll exchange, and the amount to change is 6,000 peso, and looking at the retail values of the fridge that we like against the one that we bought, that's a really good deal for us. So it looks like we're going to buy this one now. Samsung. It's nice, the colour's different. Yeah, we like. This was up for about 16k, and the value of the one that we bought, I think we bought it 10k, but with a microwave. So I think it's about 9k for the actual fridge on the previous video. But before we buy, we're not going to make the same mistake. We just turn the settings up on this freezer to see if it's cold enough to freeze, unlike the other one that wasn't cold enough to fridge. So here we go. Just waiting for, if the freezer gets cold enough to freeze, then we will take this now back to the condo and give them back the other one. We'll use their transport, and deal done. We'll see. Bye for now. So we've just exchanged our fridge. The one we bought last time didn't get cold enough for our liking, and the freezer section was wasn't freezing. It was just same as the fridge, really. So we've come and done a deal on a Samsung, and this is a crazy the way they're gonna take this. As I've shown in the previous video, this big old Samsung lump of a fridge freezer is going on the back of a little motorbike, and we'll be inside, and then they'll take it into our condo and they'll bring back the one that's not working properly. Look at this, crazy. Only in the Philippines. Imagine health and safety in England. Oh my god. Eh? Huh? I don't know, it's crazy.
I said if it go fall down, we go back.
Yeah.
It's not our fault.
We should have paid at the end. So there's 6 people. 6 people tying this fridge freezer to a tricycle. And we've covered off. If it falls off, we get our money back. Oh my god. No wonder the other one wasn't working. I know you're not supposed to move them around too much, so we have to leave this 24 hours standing before we turn it on. We leave this off 24 hours to settle before we turn it on. We can't turn it on until tomorrow.
Kailan namin pwedeng buksan niya, bukas?
In case you are wondering why Angie's dressed in pink like that, she's not a masseuse, honestly. She's doing some care work today. But that's the outfit that she has to wear. She's not working in the bar. I'd feel safer if we were taking our fridge like that. Oh my god. Yeah, a little bit. Tight up. Okay, that's nearly done. I'll bore you with the whole journey today. Look at the streets here. This is port area we're in, by the way, just up from where we live in Ermita. Hello, chicken. Breakfast. Anything worth showing? Yeah, not really. So this area is crazy. This is just outside areas selling fridges in the hot weather. Everywhere you look, fridges, freezers. Pretty cool though.
They also sell bikes.
They sell bikes?
Oh, they're bikes. Not
Oh, push
not
bikes.
Motor, bike.
Okay. Oh, let's buy a bike. I'll go back on bike. Oh, they sell bikes as well.
It's new. It's new. It's not second hand.
Yeah. Oh, they sell anything here. They're selling bikes. Nice, nice bike. So in case you're wondering where the stock comes from, obviously they fix broken ones that are probably people will get rid of, but usually the most common way is people come here, they move into a condo, part furnished, they buy a freezer, fridge, they have to leave, go back to their own country, things change here very quickly, and then after that they, oh, are you ready? Are you ready? I jump in. Ah, thank you. Just getting in, we're ready to rock and roll. Yeah, so as I was saying, there's a lot of pull-outs, what we call pull-outs here. People have to rush and leave, and they sell all the contents very cheaply of their condo, and then they bring them to here and they sell them. Right, we're on our way, bridge on back. See you all soon. Tricycle rides, just picked up a fridge in port area of Manila, and it's on the back of a tricycle, believe it or not. Park Hotel. Okay, seems to be a lot going on there, so I'm going to check that one out. Oh, it's awesome. Awesome car. Every time we go around the corner, I am worried. We have a 75-inch fridge on the back. Malate. Rocksass Boulevard, yeah, very close. Very close to home. I hope he's safe and fuel when it hasn't cut out. Girlfriend's done. Can you see the fridge on the back? Oh, we're getting ready to go. Video I've ever taken in my life. So apologies if you're watching thinking anything interesting can happen here. Probably not. But it is live and it's real life in Manila. And if you're thinking to move into this beautiful country, it is like to travel around in a tricycle. We're just coming past, I believe, Dolomite Beach, so we're very close. I saw from my balcony this morning there's quite a few people from Dolomite Beach. And the main road parallel to this is closed every Sunday for a couple of hours. So people can walk and bike and bicycle up and down the coast. It's great. Nearly back. Public safety company. almost here. I wish you could see the sea from here. You can see the palm trees. Beautiful palm trees. Left here, Claire. Left. Yeah, he knows. Very popular restaurant here. We have a few branches scattered around. The food's really good, it's reasonable price. And happens to be right next door to where we live, which is ideal. Look, all the stuff around, builders are out. They're building work on a Sunday, early day. Okay, so we're just pulling up now, guys, at Baywatch Tower in Malate with our new fridge. So I'll leave you here. And anybody that's still listening, thank you for joining me on this journey on a Sunday morning. Peace out, subscribe, like, and take care. Hopefully a bit more better footage for you next time. Take care. Oh, here we are, Baywatch.